Hello friends, in this video I will teach you how to connect ChatGPT with Google Sheets in order to get desired results tables in one place. So first of all, if I type in A1 column the list of top 5 brands, now you can see that it's loading and getting data using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is connected with this sheet and I got results brand rank Apple and their ranks according to ChatGPT. Here once we can add type a sample data for demand and supply in a analysis. So it will get the data using ChatGPT commands. I used Google Sheets and ChatGPT and with the help of API. So let's get started. How I implemented for the type top top 10 cities in the world and their population. It will populate the data from around the Google and somewhere it's using. I think it's amazing trick to use ChatGPT. So we get data of top cities and we can use this data for our analysis if we are working on a specific project and we can utilize this. So here I will teach you how I have connected this using ChatGPT. So first of all, here I will create a new spreadsheet. To get started, we have to download extensions in add-on columns, get add-ons. It's working, but it's working late. But in extensions, so here you will type a chat GPT. You will download this extension. I already downloaded. So you will download this and save it. Go and set API key. Whenever you will click API key URL, you will go and you will have to sign up and if you don't have account on I already have created a secret key, but you can create a new secret key and copy this secret key, then paste here. So I already have I implemented my API key. So for this, I will use enable ChatGPT functions, and here I will go. Okay, here I will type GPT GPT table prompt. I will type here. Here I will type top 10 cities in the world and we're getting our results. It's taking time, but it's almost getting. Oh, we got it. We can use this for our analysis in order to publish or you can use further command create sample data with pattern for sorry. We have to type here. Oh, we got price and demand data set in order to info analysis. And here you can type total freelancing platforms. Almost we got it. Platforms over here. You can use this for So if you like my stuff and subscribe to YouTube channel data